15 years of stories condensed here. We dare to be ourselves. Starting with 101 attempts, we become a global brand. Each bottle shows Blue Sky's quality dedication.
I'm from the Blue Sky team. Think globally, act locally. That's our philosophy. Blue Sky provides exceptional customer service and professional marketing support.
Yes, we are a graduate sales team working with clients worldwide. At exhibitions, whenever I see customers lining up from all over the world to discover our latest innovations, I can feel the power of Blue Sky.
We have formed a long-lasting relationship with our distributors, like UK, Greece, Bulgaria, Chile, Kenya. We have been partners over a decade.
I'm Dina Umarova, distributor and brand ambassador in India. And I want to express my gratitude for being part of your journey for the last 10 years. Happy 15th anniversary.
Hi, this is Gaurav. I congratulate Blue Sky on their 15th anniversary. We begin our journey with 3 countries, UAE, Oman and Qatar. And we are very confident with our new launches in Saudi Arabia and Bahrain for the choice.
Hola, I'm Daniela Parra from Bluesky Chile. I want to thank all the BlueskyGlobal team for your support during these 10 years of partnership.
Happy anniversary, Blue Sky. What we can say? We can say only one thing. Thank you. Thank you for being a part of your 15 years. Thank you for making the world a more beautiful place.
We are working with Blue Sky since 2019. It is a brand which is so creative, so up to date and always give us what we need.
Happy birthday, Blue Sky!
Hi, I'm Helen from Indonesia and I've been collaborating with Blue Sky for 6 years. Happy 15th anniversary for Blue Sky!
Almost 5 years. Almost 3 years.
Almost 2 years. 3 years. Build-a-gel sensitive is an updated version.
KI gel. Latest Valentine's Day top coat. Do I need to say the color name?
I would say build-a-gel sensitive.
Fast and easy build-a-gel. I like to travel.
Sleep. I love reading.
This is Paul